Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. This is day 7 of our 10 for 10 yoga challenge, 10 minutes of yoga for 10 days. Let's get started lying down on our backs. Bend your knees, put your arms out wide, open your legs, and then lower both of your legs over to the left side of the room. And now lower your legs over to the right. Let's come back to center, closing our legs. Place your right ankle on top of your left knee. And you can just start to press that right knee forward a little bit, opening the right hip. Keeping your legs in this same position, you lower your legs over to the left. Now you can keep your legs exactly like they are, or you can intertwine your legs for a deeper twist. And you want to extend your arms out wide here. You come out of this pose the same way that you got into it, coming back to that figure 4, back to center, and we extend our right leg up towards the ceiling. Grab behind your right hamstring, keeping your right foot flexed, pulling your leg closer towards your chest. Lower your right foot back down to the mat, and we come into our figure 4 with that left ankle on top of the right knee, pressing that left knee forward. And now we lower our legs over to the right. Remember, you can keep this same leg position of the figure 4, or you can intertwine your legs for a deeper twist. We come back to center, extending our left leg up towards the ceiling and grabbing behind the leg, pulling it closer to us. Bring your right leg up to meet your left, flexing the feet. Pull both of your legs closer to your chest. Still gluing the tailbone down to your mat so you're not lifting your hips. Open your legs, bending your knees, coming into your happy baby. And you can grab onto your feet or your legs. We make our way into a half happy baby, lowering our left foot down onto our mat. Now you can stay just like this, or if you want to go a little bit deeper, you start to straighten that left leg and flex the left foot. And you can come back into your happy baby, and we are moving on to the other side. So you can lower that right foot down to the mat, and you can stay here, or you can straighten that leg, flexing the foot. Come back into your happy baby. Extend your legs up towards the ceiling again, this time reaching for the toes, pulling the toes closer to you. Let's make our way into a seated position, coming into our butterfly. Bringing the soles of the feet together, knees are far apart. Grab onto the ankles as you bounce your legs up and down. Use your elbows to press your thighs down. Let's straighten our right leg out in front of us. And we come into a forward fold, walking the hands forward, flexing that right foot. Make your way to the other side. And now we rise up, straightening both legs in front of us, coming into our forward fold, maybe reaching for the ankles or the toes. Let's come up, crossing our legs for a cross-legged position. And one final forward fold. Make your way back up into a seated position, bringing your hands to heart center. Take a big breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including live, longer classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.